I was drawn to apply for this series because I felt like there was probably a gap in my technical understanding of music production, but also in the stages that come after making a track.
People always talk about creating the music, finishing the music that you're putting out, but they never talk about like what goes behind releasing it and how much work you need to put into actually properly releasing everything and actually knowing how to get the income from that.
When you have a course like this, you're getting someone's time who's actually worked for the big companies and they've been through it all and they've seen it all, and you can ask them direct questions and they can answer you, and I feel like that's very invaluable.
Programs like this are really important because they help uncover this part of the music industry that's not really discussed in public, and there's not really hard ways to learn about it.
The workshop series seemed to focus on a lot of my weaknesses. I also wanted to be around a lot of different artists that I hadn't met before, hoping to kind of build some connections and maybe some future collaborations.
The workshop series helped me think differently by introducing me to new sort of perspectives on how to promote music.
The fact that we got to actually hang out with like-minded people and connect over the things that we're going through in terms of not just making music but putting it out.
Having a chance to see how other people go about the way they work has been quite inspiring.
After this series, I feel like I've gained extra knowledge. It's made me excited, informed and eager to get the next one.
Programs like this are important for people to expand their knowledge, also for people to connect. Everyone's story is different, and if we can all come together and support each other, we can do anything.
You're what I've got to say.